have a good idea and you want to start a startup. You do not need to have a lot of money to do it. Actually, you can even start for free. How can you do it? You need 3 things. The first is an idea. Second, motivation. And third, time. To test your idea is quite important, and that's how you are going to start your company. You can test it for free. How? There are many web builders that actually you can use to make your idea for free. For instance, you have Wix, Weebly. Just put your idea there, make your selling points. I'm selling this, do you want it? If the client wants it, fine. Collect the emails or collect the phone number, whatever. Collect a contact detail. You will see if there is any interest. This is actually how you can start for free a startup.